Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can reset your Spotify password. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I am right now in Spotify and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, in the top right corner, here you're gonna find your notifications, your friend activity, and here you're gonna find your profile icon. Once you click on it, right here, as you can see, guys, you can access your account. You can go to your profile, upgrade to premium, start a private session. Right here, you're going to find your settings. And lastly, the option to log out from your Spotify account. So right now, in order to be able to reset your Spotify password, firstly, go ahead and click on account. And then once you do that, as you can see, guys, this will take you to this page. So basically, guys, once you're here, so firstly, I'm going to translate this page to English. As you can see, guys, right here, you're going to find all of the settings related to your account. Here, you're going to find account, payments, and lastly, security and privacy. So right here under security and privacy, you're going to find manage apps, notification settings, privacy settings, change connection methods, choose a password, and lastly, sign out of all devices. So go ahead and click on choose a password. And as you can see, guys, right here, to use Spotify on your devices, you need to set a separate password and log in with the username provided. Go ahead and click on choose password, and then just go ahead and log into your Spotify account. You can continue with Google, continue with Facebook, continue with Apple, or with phone number. And then you can just click on login. If you forgot your password, just click on forgot your password right here. And then once you do that, all you need to do, guys, is enter your email address right here, click on send link, and then a link will be sent on your email address to reset your password. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.